This is the Hotmoon Cocoon Sound Machine. Hotmoon sent this to me to review and share with you. I love the fact that this middle button changes the light color so you can customize it to your liking. There are 4 different sound categories and 10 sounds per category. You just keep pressing the button to go through the sounds in that category. This one is noise. The next category is fans. The category in the top right is nature. The final category is baby, and this has a selection of lullabies as well as baby soothing sounds. This, along with the nightlight, makes it perfect for a baby's room. With the timer button on the bottom of the device, you can choose between 45 minutes, 90 minutes, and 8 hours. And there are 2 sound buttons, one that increases the volume and one that decreases it. The Hotmoon Cocoon is very easy to use and very intuitive. It comes with a cord with a USB plug-in, and with so many sound, light, timer, and volume options, I love the fact that you can customize it to your use and your liking and what you need for it. This is a great device and it's so easy to use.